AP Calculus, the official book, Chapter 3, the definition of the derivative. M stands for the slope of a line, is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The equation of the slope, this is the slope we used to know. It's the difference between 2y's over difference between 2x, or difference between y's of 2 points of x of the same 2 points, right? The equation of the slope of the secant line is f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 over h. It is called the difference quotient. The secant and the tangent, limit of f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 over h as h tends to 0. This is the definition of the derivative. When he asks us to do the derivative starting from definition, we use this limit. Example 1. Find the slope of the curve f of x, y equal x squared at point 24, right? At a point 24. What do we mean by that? This means x of x1, this we call it x1, and this is y1, right? X1 equal 2 and y1 equal 4, which is f of 2, which is 2 squared. We can substitute 2 here, we get squared, right? Let's figure out what is, let me start here. What is f of x1 plus h equals to? It's 2 plus h, because we have f of x1 squared, because f of x equal x squared, and x here is x1 plus h, so it's 2 plus h to the power 2. Then we can find the slope. Let me first find the expanding of this formula. It's square the first plus 2 times the first times the second plus square of the second. Now let's find the limit, the derivative, right? What is the limit? The limit as h tends to 0, right, of f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 over h is equal to the limit as h tends to 0 of 4h plus h squared minus f of x1. What is f of x1? It's f of x we have at x equal 1, right? So this is it, 4, right, over h. What left is limit as h tends to 0, 4 minus 4, 0. We factorize h common outside over h. Now we can substitute directly. Instead of h0, we got the answer is 4 plus 0, which is equal to 4. This is the derivative at the point 2, 4. Let's see. So this is the derivative. We can do something else, right? We can do, but this is starting from definition. I'm doing it starting from definition. We can directly, someone will say that since f of x equal x squared, let's find f of x, f prime of x, the derivative. Yep, it will be 2x, that's true. And at x equal 2, this means we substitute, this means we need to find f prime of 2, which is equal to 2 instead of x2. The answer will be also equal to 4. This is also correct and easy, useful way to find the derivative at a point. But when he asks us to find the derivative, or the slope of the curve using at this point, but starting at derivative, this means we have to use this. Here he didn't ask us, so I did it both ways. Now, example 2. Find the derivative of the equation in example 1 at another point, at point 5, 25. Same thing, right? Same thing. But instead of 2, 4, it's 5, 25. Let me erase over here, and we will do it off. Let me erase. Okay. Let me also erase those, right? And let's do number 2, example 2. Example 2, also we have the same equation, which is y equal f of x. So first we find, let's do the limit directly. Its limit as h tends to 0 of f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 over h, which is equal f of x1 plus h is x1 is 5 here in this case, so it's 5 plus h, 5 plus h all squared, minus f of x1 means minus, we substitute instead of x its value over here, right? Its value over here, which is 5 squared over h. Sorry, I forgot just to write the limit. We should leave the limit until we substitute instead of h equals 0, which is equal to the limit as h tends to 0 of 25, right, plus 10h plus h squared, expanding this, minus 25 over h minus 25 plus 25, we cancel. Its equal limit as h tends to 0 of h into 10 plus h over h, h cancel, and we substitute 0, so it is 10. Let me check. What is f of x? F of x equal x squared. So what is the derivative of this f of x? It is 2x. What is the derivative of this function at x equal 5? So it's 2 times 5. The derivative is equal to 10. Same. And that's good. Let me start example 3 now. Example 3, find the slope of the equation of x equal, at the point, he gave me a general point here. He gave us a general point. x1 squared. He didn't give us the numerical points, right? So what we have to do is to substitute this.